Create fast, accurate 2D layout of industrial control panels with new cabinet panel design capabilities in SolidEdge 2021. Here in SolidEdge Wiring Design, we have a multi-page schematic for a Fealinx pop circle machine. We need additional documentation to assist in the building of the machine's control panels. SolidEdge 2021 Wiring Design prepares the layout of industrial control panels with new cabinet panel capabilities that allow us to reuse the schematic intelligence to generate the panel layout. Placing the correctly sized cabinet based on our specs, we can add additional items such as backplates, channels, mounts, and other hardware. We also need some wiring ducts, so here we'll place a series of channels. Dynamic dimensions provide accurate feedback, and industry-standard profiles are available. Using the mount command, we can add the necessary den rails to which we will attach electrical components. Again, accessing the properties allows us to choose from industry-standard sizes and profiles. Adding some dimensions to the mounting plate, as well as the channels and rails, will help document their positions. Associating the new layout design to the schematic allows us to place the relevant logical electrical components. Placing devices is simple, and there are many ways in which this can be achieved. We can place single objects or multiple objects at the same time. Shortcut options allow control over snap points, rotation angle, the order of placement, and much more, all of which are dynamically previewed during the placement process. The last few devices are placed onto the top and bottom rails quickly and easily. A bill of materials, which is fully customizable, has been automatically built as we've added the devices to the layout design. The bill of material IDs can be easily generated. Balloons are added to each of the devices on the panel layout after generation of the BOM. The final required deliverable is a terminal plan, which assists in the assembly and wiring of the terminal strips. The fully associative terminal plan tables are automatically generated, documenting the terminal blocks along with their specific symbol, physical sequence in the strip, and details of where the wires terminate at both ends of each block. Now that the electrical design and documentation is complete, we wish to share this information with our MCAD colleagues. Connected mode makes it easy for the ECAD and MCAD worlds to collaborate. Switching to SolidEdge 3D CAD, we can see the existing wiring details that have already been added to the design. With connected mode active, we can cross-highlight components between the two disciplines. We'll bridge in some final conductors that have been added to the design to connect the two cabinets together. This synchronizes the wiring details and automatically creates them in SolidEdge 3D CAD. We can then bundle these wires together. To keep the bundle neatly organized within the assembly, the new Route Along a Surface command provides a highly efficient way of routing the bundle path around the contours of the frame. All that is needed is to pick the bundle to be routed, selecting the faces of the geometry the bundle needs to follow, and plot some points to define the path. Then route the ends of the bundle through each of the glands on the respective cabinets. SolidEdge 2021 electrical design software modules enable fast, accurate 2D layout of industrial control panels, providing great new functionality to improve your electromechanical design efforts. To learn more about SolidEdge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.